Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng ham and cheese sandwich na palaging nire-request ng aking mag-aama. So intro muna tayo. Ayan, kagigising lang yan. Happy morning! So, ito na nga yung mga kailangan nating sangkap. We need a loaf bread or tasty, ham, egg, cheese, oil or butter, kung wala kang non-sticky pan. So, niluto ko na nga yung sweet ham and now I'm slicing the cheese. Huwag nating masyadong kapalan, pero huwag din masyadong manipis. Patihin naman natin yung itlog. We can add salt and pepper to taste. This one, nilagyan ko siya ng pepper para mas malasa. In one clean plate, i-layer na natin loaf bread, cook sweet ham, cheese, and then let's cover it with bread again. And i-dip na natin siya sa itlog. So, in this video, dalawa lang yung pinakita kong ginawa ko. But, of course, I made 4 since 4 na kami. Now, painitin na natin ang kawali. Again, kung mayroon kayong non-sticky pan, pwedeng wala ng butter or cooking oil. But still, it's up to your choice. Ang bango ng butter. Did you smell that? Ayan, tapos na nga. Tada! So, I made 4 ham and cheese sandwich for my little family. Happy breakfast! So, you see, simple lang yung ingredients. Masaya pa ang family and especially, it is made with love. Happy eating! Of course, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng lettuce, ng tomatoes, kung ano yung mga feel nyong ilagay. But this one is simplified since ham and cheese sandwich nga lang siya. And mas simple, mas masarap. Diba? Happy eating and have a nice day! Again, thank you so much for watching! Abangan niyo po yung aking next video. Gagawa naman tayo ng ham and cheese roll. This is mummyweng. Magpapaalala lang ulit ako as the Holy Scripture says, gawin ninyo sa pag-ibig ang lahat ninyong ginagawa. And may we always do great good things that will help and inspire others. Maraming salamat po!